One of the three brand new Liftronic Unitronic MRLs at Buranda train station. We'll go down first. Here on open day, there goes NGR 742 to Shorncliffe. Make all stations to Shorncliffe. This thing just opened up this morning. Right, we'll do a cab view. Oh, that's in new custom voice. Are you guys going up?
Thanks, man. Thanks very much.
All good. To which floor?
I have no idea.
Station just
Heading
up.
towards the city.
So that would be platform number. Yeah, that will be that platform there towards the city.
Thanks, man. Pledge. Cool shoes, man.
Ah, thank you.
Very awesome. Thank you, man. Appreciate your help.
All good. Lift number 2, maximum load 1600 kilos, 21 persons. Station is much better than the old one. Here it is. Are you guys part of Liftronic?
We are, yeah.
I really like your new lifts.
Oh, good, mate. Appreciate that.
Alright, and here's the second lift. I'm here to do all 3 lifts in one video. There goes NGR to Cannon Hill. NGR 728. All stations to Cannon Hill. This time yesterday the station was closed. But I'm finally here to have a look at it. SMU 294 versus SMU 2... Can't get the unit numbers properly. 295. Lift number 1, maximum load 1600 kilos, 21 persons. I'm just filming because I'm a lift enthusiast. Here to check out Buranda for the first time for a lot of years.
Doors closing. Please mind the doors. Footbridge.
These remind me of at Auchenflower Station, which is my local station. And lucky last, the final Liftronic here at Buranda Station. This one's lift number 3. Maximum load 1600 kilos, 21 persons. Right, Capty. This one takes you out to the car park.
Doors opening.
Really nice. Only opened up today, so that's very cool. Well, I gotta catch the next city-bound train, so
Closing. Please mind the doors.
I don't want to miss that one. These run actually quite well.
Doors opening.
I'm so impressed. Queensland Rail hasn't used any Liftronics for years. The last Liftronic was the parking go. Oh,
Doors closing. Please mind the doors.
all good. The last Liftronic Queensland Rail used was the one at Park and Go at Ferny Grove back in 2023. There it goes, and that will be it.